Hi everyone, I'm Rachel from Ellii, and in this video I'll be showing you how to share classes with other teachers. This feature is only available for organization accounts and allows you to add co-teachers to your class. So without further ado, let's get started. Once you have logged in, click everything at the top and click Classroom from the left-hand side. On your Classroom page, click the three dots next to the class you'd like to invite a teacher to. Here is where you can also see the role you play in all of the classes you're in. When you create a class, you are automatically the lead teacher. Once you have clicked the three dots, click Edit Team from the menu. From here, click the blue button at the bottom that says Add. From here, select the teacher from the list you'd like to invite, or use the search tool to type their name. Once you have chosen the teachers you'd like to invite, click the blue Send Invitation button. Once you send the invite, you will see the teacher on your list with a pending status beside them. Once they accept the invitation, this will go away. You can also use the three dots next to their name to view the details of their invitation, resend the invitation, or delete it. On this page, you can see what the co-teacher can do in the class by clicking the information icon. This includes creating assignments and adding or removing students from the class. You can also view what a lead teacher can do by clicking the information icon next to lead teacher. On the invited teacher's end, once they log in, they can click everything at the top and click Classroom from the menu. On the Classroom page, they will see the invitation they've been sent. They can click See What You Can Do to view the permissions for co-teachers, and to accept the invitation, they can click Accept. Once they accept the invitation, the class is added to their list, and they are listed as a co-teacher. One last thing to note is that you are able to transfer the ownership of a class. If you would like one of the co-teachers to become the lead teacher, you can first click your class and click Details at the top and Team on the left-hand side. From here, click the three dots next to the teacher you'd like to make the lead teacher. From the menu, click Transfer Ownership to continue the process. Once a class is transferred, you are then able to leave the class or remain a co-teacher. That's it for this video on how to share classes. If you have any questions, please let us know. Happy teaching!
Ellii.